Hello everyone, welcome again to another new Django series. So this series is going to be Django Rest Framework. So we are going to learn how we can build beautiful APIs using the Django Rest Framework. So again guys, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing this content. So we are going to work through all the requirements to let our API work. Of course, as I said earlier, that we're going to use the Django Rest framework. So I just want you to welcome here and let us explore together what we can do with the Django Rest framework. Of course, we are going to start from scratch. So we are going to start from the very beginning by creating our first Django application. We are going to learn how we can create our application. We are going to see how we can start our Django project, and then we are going to create a simple model which we can use it to create our API using this Django Rest framework. Of course, we are going to go all the way from the installation. So I'm going to show you how we can install the Rest framework from the documentation. Also, we are going to see how we can add it to the installed apps. Also, we are going to see how we can use the serializers. We can use the view sets, the API view. Of course, we are going to have a lot of things to do on this series. So what I'm just trying to say here, stay tuned, subscribe to this channel. There is going to be a new video every week. So this video is just every Monday we are going to have a new video. So this video will just be all about Django Rest framework. We are going to dive deep how we can do with the Django Rest framework. We are going to see how we can do the authentications. We can just try to interact it with the front-end application. So there are a lot of things we are going to do on this series. Or of course, it's just every Monday. So we are going to have this tutorial, the Django Rest framework. Stay tuned, subscribe to this channel and share this content. I hope to see you on this series, and I'm really excited to start this series. So welcome all and hope to see you on the class. Thank you so much and see you. Bye bye.